Loving literature, love from the grand universe. It is just that, love from the grand universe. This story is titled Waves Crashing Against the Shore. The magnificent landscape of crashing waves against the mighty rock, the sound pulsating through one's being. As I look out to the sight of such power, brilliance, energy, I can sense that the road traveled can at times feel like every cell in one's essence is being tossed around amidst the sound and vibration of crashing waves. The stillness of a pond, like glass shimmering in the sunlight. Water so still it is only peace that is embraced. A ripple on a pond, extending outwards, a perfect circle of energy moving beyond, an expansion away from the center of stillness. What is one's vibration that when one can be still? The calm of the lake. Can one see the vibration that is extended through one's heart? Is it the crashing waves that sculpt us like the rock upon which the water is embraced, wearing and sculpting, creating the magnificence that is presented after the waves settle? What magnificence crashing waves can create, and what magnificence is held in the wisdom of the stillness of the pond. Embrace both as you walk your journey. Find strength in each energy vibration. Find the power in great force, and find your power in great stillness. For it is the motion of the water that can represent the motion of a journey. Hold in your heart that each step is allowing you to discover the polarity of the universe. For how would one discover light without dark? Discover heartache if only joy was presented? The key is knowing that joy walks with you. Love in your heart walks with you. As you travel your journey, discover the contrast that allows you to seek your desires. Allow your desires to come forth with courage. There are times when gale force energy is what is required for momentum. And know in your heart that at times, stillness that speaks, that can only be heard in a faint whisper, is what calls you to discover your greatest journey. Embrace the ocean, the sea, the pond, the lake. Embrace the oneness of all, for you are one with magnificent creations. You are a magnificent creation. Read by the author, in oneness with divine creation, we are complete.